Hey everyone, it's Belinda. I know it's been a really long time since I uploaded anything to this channel, and I have a very good reason for it. We bought our first house at the end of last year. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house built in the 1960s. It has a pool in the backyard and it's the perfect size for us. However, it was a bit of a fixer-upper, so we spent a good portion of this year renovating the house ourselves. Now, we've never done anything like this before. We've never renovated a house. So it's been a wild ride, but a lot of fun. Our renovations included completely gutting and remodeling 2 bathrooms and a kitchen. So we've touched almost every aspect of this house, like the electrical, the plumbing, the flooring, the structural reinforcement, tiling. We fixed cracks and gyp. We mudded, textured, painted. We also did some mechanical work. We also had to learn how to maintain a pool. We even had foundation work done in this house, but we contracted that out. That's the one thing that we didn't do ourselves. So last year, I delved into the theoretical side of automation in the building construction industry and methods of construction. And this year, I got to experience the practical side of it, the more hands-on approach. It made me realize that there's only so much you can learn sitting at a desk behind a computer absorbing information. This hands-on approach teaches you so much more. It's made me want to pivot this channel in that direction. That being said, I'm going to revive this channel with a more holistic approach to building construction. I want to build on my experiences over the last couple of months. I'll still be looking into scripting and software automation because that's what I do for the majority of my day. And I'll also still be looking into the latest technologies in the construction industry. But I want this channel to be a little more experimental, more practical. I want to look into real products and methods of construction. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to my channel during my little hiatus. I really appreciate it. And I hope you stay tuned for the videos to come because I'm very excited about it. That's all for now. See you soon.